This is my modification of an under the hood light, mechanic light. I'm going to use this from Harbor Freight, 5,500 lumens. It is not rechargeable. The rechargeable ones are not reliable. I got this from Walmart, Hyper Tough. It extends 3 to 6 feet. That's all you need, my goodness. And we're going to modify this so it use this aluminum rod here to make the curl, and then pad it with this right here and this Tesla tape so it doesn't scratch the paint on the vehicle. This total cost about $42. I already had this aluminum rod. I've had it for 20 years. I don't know how, and I coated it really good with the Tesla tape. Also, notice that I put that tape over that. Okay, let's go dry it out. Oh yes, that's very nice. Notice that the lever is on top so that this can extend out and in. Very, very easily extend it out. Okay, let's go check it out. I can see right now that I'm going to have to tilt that light at another angle. Don't want that shining in my eyes. Or I can just put a reflective, add some type of a metal reflective short enough to deflect all that. But yeah, that is awesome lighting. Good grief. Oh, I'm tickled to death. And as far as this cord's concerned, you can drape it back over the cab of the truck. And you can shorten this too. No big deal. But look, look, look. Isn't that great? That is just great. Yeah, I could drill in through there and go with some JB Weld, which is what I'll probably do. I'm going to have to modify this, but it's extremely light. And, yeah, I'm very, very happy with that. Very happy with that. All right. Total cost about $42. And when this light goes, but where are you going to get a 5,500 lumen under the hood mechanic light? It's just not going to happen. And then you're going to go through a lot of batteries. And under the hood light, it's not like you're going to travel with it. You're going to travel with those little short rechargeable lights. It turned out pretty good. The other thing I wanted to point out to you was this. You see how this will slide? This will slide just so far, and then it'll just stop. So when you're taking it off the vehicle, it's not like this will slide out and drop on your engine. This only goes so far and then it stops. I like this. I like this idea. And you can hang it up out of your way like most mechanics do. That'll work out pretty good. Yeah, I like that.